Mr. President, the ICJ condemns the escalating violations of human rights in the Russian Federation, particularly of the freedom of expression and peaceful assembly of those protesting against the war in Ukraine. Russia's expulsion from the Council of Europe deprives millions of people of access to the European Court of Human Rights. Independent human rights monitoring is needed. We call on the Council to establish a special rapporteur on the human rights situation in the Russian Federation. In Kazakhstan, there has been no effective investigation of allegations of widespread torture and ill-treatment and unnecessary and excessive use of lethal force during and following the January 2022 public protests and violent clashes. In Egypt, despite the formal lifting of the state of emergency, the systematic crackdown of human rights under the guise of combating terrorism continues through highly repressive laws. The ICJ calls on the Council to set up an independent monitoring mechanism to facilitate accountability for gross human rights violations. In Jammu and Kashmir, the ICJ remains concerned at the systematic violations of human rights, including attacks on journalists and civil society, and the lack of accountability of security forces. We reiterate our call to establish an independent investigative mechanism. I thank you.